Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. It works on iPhone and also work on Android as well. So all you have to do is just go to your story. I'm just going to take one picture, but I want to use a solid color background, then I'll add picture on top of it. So I'll go ahead and press the marker here and then I'll choose a color. So I'll choose this color and press and hold. So I could start with a solid color background. So now to add multiple pictures here, all I have to do is just press the sticker option here, and then there is the option, it's look like a picture icon. Go ahead and press that, and then you could choose your pictures from here. So I'll choose one. I could go ahead and resize it. I could actually tap on it to get a bunch of different shapes like this. To add another one, I'm going to choose same option. This time I'm going with this picture. I'll go ahead and resize it. So you could add as many as you want here using this option, just like that. So it's the same option on the iPhone. So you can do on iPhone as well with the same option. You can add multiple pictures on Instagram stories. So I hope you found this video helpful for you. If it is, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.